Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodni. You are watching Geeta Tricks. In our last section, we have discussed these topics. In this section, we have to discuss profit and loss. Let us start our section. Profit and loss. Profit and loss formula is used in mathematics to determine the price of commodity in the market and understand how profitable a business is. Every product has a cost price and selling price. Based on the values of these prices, we can calculate the profit gained or the loss of a particular product. Concepts of profit and loss. The first one is profit and loss, cost price, selling price, market price, and formula, examples, breaks, and solver problems. These are we have to see in this section. The first one is profit. Profit means the amount gained by selling a product with more than its cost price. This is known as profit. The next one is loss. The amount the seller incurs after selling the product less than its cost price is mentioned as a loss. What is cost price? The amount paid for product or commodity to purchase it is called a cost price. These are the loss and cost price. Cost price are two types. One is fixed cost and another one is variable cost. What is fixed cost? The fixed cost is a constant. It doesn't vary under any circumstances, and variable cost means it could vary depending as per the number of units. The next one is selling price. Selling price means the amount for which the product is sold is called selling price. Sometimes it is also called as sale price also. And the next one, market price formula. Market price means this is basically labeled by shopkeepers to offer a discount to the customers. The formula of discount equals to market price minus selling price, and discount percentage is discount by market price into 100. The next one, profit and loss formula. The formula of profit or gain is selling price minus cost price, and the formula of loss is cost price minus selling price. The formula for the profit and loss percentage is profit percentage is profit by cost price into 100 and loss percentage is loss by cost price into 100. Next one, tricks of profit and loss. These are the tricks of profit and loss. Problems of profit and loss are: first problem, a table is bought for Rs 950 and sold at Rs 1140. Find the gain percentage. Gain percentage equals to gain by cost price into 100. Here, gain is the difference between bought price and sold, right? The difference between these two is 1140 minus 950. I am getting 190. So the gain is 190. So the gain percentage equals to 190 by cost price means 950. 950 into 100. For doing simplification, I am getting gain percentage equals to 20%. So this is my answer. The next problem, a sheep is bought for Rs 1020 and sold at Rs 850. Find the loss percentage. The loss percentage means the formula of loss percentage is loss percentage equals to loss by cost price into 100. Here loss equals to 1020 minus 850. So I am getting 170. So loss percentage equals to 170 by how much I sold? 850. So 850 into 100. So loss percentage equals to 50 by 3%. It is written by mixed fraction 16 into 2 by 3 percentage. This is my answer. The next problem, a bat is bought for Rs 75 and sold at gain of 8%. Find its selling price. The formula of selling price is 100 plus gain by 100 into cost price. Here cost price equals to 75 and gain percentage equals to 8%. These two is substitute in selling price. I am getting selling price equals to 108 by 100 into cost price 75. So I am getting SP equals to 81. This is my answer. Up to now, we have discussed these topics. In our next section, we have to discuss ratios and proportions. If you have any doubt in this section, please comment your doubt in comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.